Okay, but why is nobody talking enough about Snackyard? If you're into good food, chill vibes, and that accidentally stayed longer than planned kind of place, this is it. First of all, the food, solid. Like, hindi lang pang aesthetic ha. Legit flavorful, well-seasoned, and super satisfying. Every order felt worth it, and honestly, you can tell they actually care about the quality. And the vibe? Loki gives cool hangout spot energy. Perfect for catching up with friends, spontaneous food trips, or even those tarakain tayo moments that turn into a full-on yap session. Also, bakit parang ang sarap lalo ng food pag good ay yung ambience? Kasi ganun na ganun dito. Safe to say, Snackerd is officially added to my babalik-balikan list. So if you're around Cebu and looking for your next food spot, consider this your sign. Alina kayo!